Assalamualaikum. Good afternoon, dear friends from here. I'm at Baba Salam restaurant. This restaurant is in Thumama. It's a Malayalam restaurant. I love to come over here and have this type of thali. People don't come over here, they don't eat with spoon, they eat with hands. It's an Indian tradition. But this food had a fish, fried fish, papad, veggies, fish curry, rasam, and some sweet. But it's really delicious, amazing. Sometimes I love to try Indian food. Different type of Indian food usually I keep on trying. But this thali, since my childhood, I'm having. I remember my late mother, may Allah bless her with the China army. She used to love have this type of Malayalam, water chawal, bari chawal, along with all the salmona and fry. Really amazing. So do visit Baba Salam, Thumama, Doha.
Kerala, often called God's own country, is not only famous for its backwaters and lush greenery, but also for its unique and diverse cuisine. Malayalam food, deeply rooted in tradition, offers a blend of spices, coconut rice, and seafood that makes it one of the most loved cuisines of India. Coconut in every form. Grated, ground, or as coconut milk. Coconut is an essential ingredient that gives Kerala dishes their signature flavor. Rice as a staple. From fluffy steamed rice to puttu and appam, rice forms the heart of every meal. Dishes are flavored with black pepper, cardamom, cinnamon, curry leaves, and cloves, giving them a rich aroma and taste. Traditional feasts known as Sadhya are served on banana leaves, adding authenticity and a natural touch. Let me tell you about few Malayalam dishes. Sadhya, a grand vegetarian feast served during festivals like Onam and Vishu, consisting of more than 20 dishes, including avial, olan, thoran, sambar, and payasam, appam and stew, soft and spongy rice, pancakes made with a flavorful vegetable or chicken stew cooked in coconut milk, Malabar parota with beef curry, a flaky layered bread that enjoyed with spicy Kerala-style beef curry, puttu and kadala curry, steamed cylinders of rice flour layered with coconut served with black chickpea curry. I can say Malayalam food is not just about taste, but about culture and community. Every meal reflects hospitality, tradition, and the love for fresh, locally sourced ingredients. Whether it is the simplicity of kanji, rice porridge, or the grandeur of an onam, Sadhya Malayalam cuisine carries the essence of Kerala's heritage. Amazing, amazing. And one thing more, what I love about the Kerala food is fish curry. Tangy and spicy Kerala fish curry, often cooked with kokum or tamarind, as a seafood lover's delight. We have a sweet dessert made of rice or lentils cooked with jaggery, coconut milk or milk. Really amazing as the Malayalam food. This restaurant, Baba Salam, is in Thumama. Amazing food this restaurant has, and I really love the food. Before I take leave, let me tell you something that most of the Pakistani people also love to have the meal over here. Really, Indian food is rich in taste. Many of those who migrated from India to Pakistan, they did not only migrate, but the taste, flavors also migrated to Pakistan. Amazing restaurant, and see you very soon at some other location. Till then, goodbye. Allah Hafiz. Take care.